matter of fact, we felt a little guilty and we actually put an IntelliBed in our guest bedroom as well. If you've been waiting to buy an IntelliBed, wait no longer. The very best deal is right now. And the only place you need to go is the IntelliBed store near you during IntelliBed's President's Day event, now through February 22nd. Not only will you find the best bed that money can buy, that IntelliBed with the revolutionary gel matrix technology, when you purchase any king or queen IntelliBed, you'll get a free $1,900 luxury state-of-the-art adjustable base with all the bells and whistles, by the way, including zero gravity and anti-snoring positions. The best sleep of your life is waiting for you right now. And all you have to do, visit the IntelliBed store today at Fashion Place, University Place in Orem, Park City next to Whole Foods, and Riverdale right by the Olive Garden. The President's Day sale, it's underway now through the 22nd. See store for full details.
This is Jeff Stout with Fink & McGregor, Mortgages Made Simple. At Fink & McGregor, we do mortgages full-time. That's all we do. We don't sell other goods or services to our customers. We don't share information. We just do mortgages for those who need them. This is not true of banks or credit unions. Banks and credit unions are necessary in this day and age, but not for your mortgage. When you specialize in something, you just do it better. That's why we keep our focus in one place. If you feel like your bank is taking too long, if you feel like they are charging too much, if you feel like they are giving you the runaround, or if you feel like you just don't matter to them, I invite you to try us. You'll be glad you did. Fink & McGregor, Mortgages Made Simple. 801-264-9494. That's 264-9494. Or on the web at finkmcgregor.com. That's finkmcgregor.com.
Utah is my first home. My heart, I just gave to Korea. I was the first person in the United States to receive a hepatitis C positive liver transplant without having hepatitis C before. I received a diseased liver, and after the transplant, they cured my new liver.
A. Scott Anderson, Intermountain Healthcare Chair Emeritus.
Helping people like Lorenzo requires harnessing advanced technologies or even developing them. The end results are thousands and thousands of Utahns living healthier lives.
People who have this liver condition, we're not sick enough to get a transplant early enough. So